Greetings friends, today we are here to learn how we can deploy our React app onto a web server for free. For this I have made a few changes onto the basic React app and I will be demonstrating how we can deploy it. For this, the first thing that you need to do is go to the following link which will be available in the description below and then fork it into your GitHub account. Once you do that, open up a new tab and enter the following link zeet.co/r/cypher. So the first thing that you might want to do when you reach the Zeet homepage will be to press login at the top right corner and enter the credentials for your GitHub account. This will allow Zeet to access your repositories, identify who you are and make the process of deployment much easier. With just 2 clicks, we were able to log into our GitHub account. Now, if you come to the pricing tabs on the Zeet website, you will see that Zeet offers us one free project with all its amazing services. But you can also have this professional account for just $5 a month, which, if you ask me, is an absolute steal. With that, let's move on. Now, I'll simply click on New Project and then choose GitHub. Once I do that, Zeet will show me a list of applications which I can deploy on a server. Here I'll simply select Zeet React, and since there is no other branch available on this repository, I'll simply continue with main. Once this is done, we can see that Zeet has automatically determined that we are using a React app and will automatically start the build settings. So let's skip ahead a few seconds and view the results. This process takes a few moments, but once it's complete, it will automatically redirect us to the dashboard. So here, if your project has any additional settings, you can do them using this tab, but in my case, I can simply view my website. As you can see, the app is running perfectly. Here, I would like to take a moment and show you guys an amazing feature offered by Zeet. It allows us to make changes into our deployed application without any additional hassle. All you need to do is make the changes on your system and then push the commits onto your GitHub repository. To showcase this, I'll simply make a few changes in this GitHub repository app.js file. Here, instead of deploy React app, I will write welcome to Zeet server and then push the changes. Once the changes are in place, I can go to the deployment tab and see that Zeet has automatically understood that some change has been pushed onto our GitHub file and it will automatically start to build the process. So let's wait a few more seconds. It took a while, but the deployment process was successful. So let's go and refresh the React app. As we can see that we were able to achieve the results without making any additional changes in our settings. With that, I'll end today's lecture. Thank you.